Hello XI Infinity holders, what's up? Hope you're fine now. Guys, I'm very sad, I'm very shocked today by the XI Infinity changes because the completely changes goes negative in the market. Everything is on the front of your eyes. You can see here that the changes of XI Infinity is going very bad. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week and changes of XI Infinity occurs in the market is completely negative. So that is why I'm very shocked, I'm very sad. Anyways guys, but the latest price of XI Infinity is about 65.97 USD dollar. That is the price of XI Infinity, 65.97 USD dollar. You know what guys, now the question is that when there is again possibilities that the price will pump. Guys, already you know that from 7 days the XI Infinity price falls down, and my personal prediction about XI Infinity tells us that 4 to 3 days, 2 days more the XI Infinity price will fall, and after that again the price will pump. After that again the price will pump. So don't worry guys. Now the bad time is spent. The good time is very soon for you. Anyways guys, you can see here the latest update is about negative 1.56%, 92.42 USD dollar. That is the highest price in the last 30 days, and you already know that my target for XI Infinity is 100 USD dollar. 100 USD dollar is my target for XI Infinity guys. What you think, can they hit 100 USD dollar or not? Tell me in the comment box guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.